Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Games Edition. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing and looking at our first impressions on the Galaxy Watch Fit 2. Okay, so let's get started with the major differences. Okay, so one of the major differences is the price. So let me show you guys. So this is the Galaxy Fit 2, coming out around £50, and the first gen Galaxy Fit is £90. So major difference in price. So you're getting a really big cut from the first gen to the second gen, and let's see what they've done to make that big cut in price. Okay, so let's unbox this. So pretty easy to unbox, just open it from the top. There's a pull tab. As you can see, the watch is already on, and I'll let you know why that is on already. So let's close that, place that there. Right, so watch has some nice materials. It's got a nice rubber material with a matte black. So it's got the matte black look with this nice rubber material. So this is good for when you're working out. Let's put that to the side. Actually, we'll put it on top of here. Right, let's see what else you get. So it's got a little tab there that you can use to pull it out. So there's another box within the box. Flip that over. Okay, so it's got some manuals and some warranty cards. Put that to the side, you don't need that. And it comes with a charger, so USB to these pins. Okay, so as you guys can see, it does not come with a plug, so you're going to have to use your own plug. And if you want this thing to reach up to your desk or something like that, you're going to have to buy probably one of those USB extensions. So that's going to be a must if you want this to reach up to your desk, or if you're just going to plug it into your computer or something like that, shouldn't really be a problem. Right, let's move on to the watch. Okay, so we're back. So let's get this watch set up. Right, as you guys can see, I've already got this thing set up with my actual phone, my daily, but I'm going to get it set up again so I can show you guys what to do. Right, so let's put this to the side. First thing you're going to have to do, which I can't demonstrate here, is you're going to have to put it on charge for it to actually turn on, as the Gen 2 has no physical buttons on either side or on the bottom. As you can see, it's just a monitor, the pins for the charger, and yes, blank on both sides. Right, so what you're going to want to do is download the Galaxy Wear app, which I've already done. There we are, and it should look like this, the home screen. Let's just get this camera to focus. There we are, and there we are, Galaxy Fit 2. So you're going to want to click on that, click allow, and then click allow again. Allow, got to get to allow to all these things. Let's pair up. Right, so it should be able to find this. Searching for wearable devices. I'll pause the video until this thing gets found. And we're back. Right, so we finally found it, Galaxy Fit. There we are, and it should bring up this notification, band will restart, accept, restarting, ting, okay. Oh, let's get this focused. And as you can see, it says connecting on the phone. Now this phone isn't actually the daily phone that I use. The daily I use is a Samsung A70. Okay, so it's still pairing. Put this up there. And as we can see, it's pairing. It's got the Samsung load screen on it. Alright, so I think we might have to select it again. And it's vibrating, it's got a code on it. Click pair. You need to plug in your control band with the Galaxy Wearable app. Select OK. Okay, so after you select OK, it's going to take you to the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store. No, Apple App Store. And you're going to want to install Galaxy Fit 2 plugin. So install that. Try Google Pass, no thank you. Okay, I'll be back as soon as this thing's downloaded because it's taking a while. Okay, and it's finished. So Let's go back to the wearable app. Wow, got to install a lot of things. Don't think all of these things will be needed for the watch, so if you don't need them you can probably delete them afterwards. Anything else? Now, because this isn't a Galaxy device, you're gonna have to install quite a lot of apps. Okay, finishing pairing. Oh, the watch has turned on again. Band paired. Congrats. So it tells you congrats on your new Galaxy Fit. Agree? Yep. I will skip this for now. Your phone improves. Okay. Yep. Okay, we're all set. Allow Galaxy wearable to read your notifications. Allow. Okay, and you'll have to go into the settings to configure all of that. Allow. Okay, so we're in the OS. So, as you can see, we can sort out our alarms, weather, we can activate hand wash, also it's a reminder. We can sort our notifications out from here. And we can add and remove widgets, so we can have a health summary, exercise, stress, the weather, stopwatch, timer, hand wash, calendar, heart rate, music, sleep, steps, and water. So there's quite a lot of widgets you can add. So you can select what kind of vibration you want, because the Galaxy Fit 2 does not have a speaker. It just has a vibrating motor, and it also has no mic, so no Bixby on this. And what else does this thing have? Oh, quick responses, so you can also respond to messages directly from the watch, but your Bluetooth will have to be connected. Then you got quick responses, find my band, and other things like that, which I'll show you guys in a sec. Okay, so I just had to set up a few things so that it'd work, and let's try out find my band. Start. So as you can see, it starts vibrating, and the vibration is actually pretty strong on this. So the vibrating motor is pretty good. And then you just swipe up, and you can cancel the vibrating detection thing. Right, so let's move on to the actual watch itself. And we're back, so time to see what you can do on the watch itself. So, not sure if you guys can see this, but let me turn on the light. There's actually a home button there. It's not a physical home button, but there is a button there that you can press to go back and for other things. So, let's turn the flash back off. So, you can, if you press the home button or you make any movement with your wrist facing towards yourself, it should turn on automatically. But it's not on my wrist, so it's probably detecting that because the sensor's not touching any skin. So, if you swipe to the left, you can see all your notifications. And I'll make a separate video on how to set up your notifications and other things like that. And if you keep swiping, you can see all the widgets that you've selected. I've not selected any actual widgets yet that I'm going to be using, but you'll see that in my actual review video after a few days or a week. And if you swipe from the top, you can adjust the brightness, you can put it on do not disturb, you can turn the music on and off from here, vibration, or water mode. So if you're swimming, you can find your phone, and yeah, you can put it to night mode, and 3 dots is to either restart it or put it to sleep. And yeah, that's about it. So hope you guys look forward to the other review video, which will be more in depth because I've been using it for some time. And stay tuned. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video on the Galaxy Fit.